Hi Best Buds, it's Cathy with Cathy's Garden, and I'm so happy that you joined me today. Once again, we're going to have Shop the Restock, and we're going to start with ephemera bundles. So they're bundles of ephemera that are ready to go into either your junk journal or scrapbooking projects. So they're all packaged and ready to go out. Now there are 6 of these bundles over in my Etsy shop, and let's go ahead and let's look at 3 of them. So when your order comes in, I'll just select one and I will send it out to you. So we open this one up like this, and there we go. Oh my goodness, look, it just keeps going. And they're little individual journaling cards in here. There you are. And then it ties closed. So I'll close that up. Then there's this one with a portfolio closure, and we open it up like this. Oh, and it has lots of tickets inside. Alrighty, and then this one also has a portfolio closure. Let's open this up. Which way does this go? This way. Open this one up, and it is a flip book. So there's lots. There's a little small paper clip holding it closed there, and there are quite a few pages in here. There's the back you can journal on. Oh, there's a pocket right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to stick something in that pocket so you'll have a piece of ephemera as well. Now this one is actually a very large, well, it's not an altered paper clip, but yes, it is an altered paper clip. I said it wasn't, but it is, because it is covered here. So the paper clip is permanent, and you just clip it on. It's almost like a page topper in a way. I just really love that button. So it looks just like that. Then we have this one here, and let's open it up, and it folds out like that. Oh, look at all the little animals in there. They're so sweet. All right, and then this one here opens up, and it is an envelope. So you can put all kinds of things inside your envelope. So that's what that packet looks like. Let me set that one right over here. Let's get another one now. This one has another one of those little, I think it's one of those books. Sure enough. Oh, see, this one has something in the pocket. I will add something in that other one. And then you have your journaling pages here that you can journal on. So it closes up like this. And then we have a pocket here. So you glue down the 3 sides and you have your nice little pocket. This one is an envelope. And let's open this up with the doily. No, actually it's not an envelope. It is an envelope. It needs to be glued down. Okay, let's go ahead and get this glued down here and here, and we'll glue it down, because that notch says I'm an envelope, pop something inside of me. That's what they always say to me. Then we have this one. Now we made this recently in a video together, and let's look at what this one looks like. Folds out just like that. Lots of journaling space here, and you have 2 nice little tags in the pockets. And then this one here, we have a piece of tracing paper that you can journal on. It's in what's kind of like a belly band here in the front. And then back here, there's a tag, a nice big tag that you can journal on. That looks just like this. Got some lace down here. And then there's this one right here It opens up like this, and you've got 2 journaling cards. Lovely. It's, the butterflies are kind of raised off the paper, kind of a 3D effect. All right, so there's that bundle, and then this bundle here. It folds down, nope, it folds out like this, so I need to put some ephemera in there. Okay, and then we've got one like that. We've got the pieces of ephemera in it. And then there's this one. I bet that's another one of those. When I package these up, they're usually, the box that they come out of have very similar things. And ooh, I love that one. That's another little pocket that you glue onto your page. And here's either a pocket or a journaling card, whatever you would like to use it as. And then we have this one here with the Sari silk closure. And oh my, it folds out. Well, it folds out this way. This is attached. It folds out this way for lots of journaling space. And you've got a couple of pieces of ephemera in here. And lots of nice lace there. So let's bundle that up. So another thing that I have over there, I have both of these. Whoop, one of the things just fell down. Let me grab that really quick. All right, these are listed separately, and it's closed with Sari silk. It's got some gold around the butterfly, and it's got the Sari silk scrunched ruffles and some bling. And then you open it up, and you've got a tuck spot here, and you have some journaling pages. This is just something small that you can give as a gift to someone, or maybe you want to pop it into a stocking for Christmas. There's another tuck spot right here. So there's not a lot of pages there. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pages in there. And then we have this one here. It's also closed with a Sari silk closure. And it looks like this. And inside here we have a pocket with a piece of ephemera. We have another piece of ephemera right here. And this one folds out. And oh, we've got a double right here. And there's the signature. And we've got another little piece right there. We've got one here. So this one seems to have a little bit more pieces of ephemera in it than this one did. Let me check to make sure. Yes, these are more glued on the page. The ephemera is glued on the page. Oh, this one folds out. Okay. All right, so you've got a pink one and you have a black one with a butterfly. So we've got that. And then I have these small little journals, and the sizes are over on the Etsy shop. Now there's not a lot of pictures over there, guys. I was struggling with my storage on my phone and my computer, and it was quite a struggle to get these on. So there's not a lot of pictures because it wasn't allowing me to, my storage wasn't allowing me to get it onto Etsy. So that's mainly why I'm showing you what they look like inside, because there's just kind of outside pictures of them to identify with, and there's not pictures about what's inside because I just couldn't get it to work with me when I was trying to get it all on Etsy. Now this is 3-dimensional. Can you see it's raised up? So the roses, this rose is raised and this rose is raised. So it looks just like that. And that is just a nice little journal. It's hand sewn signature. The pages are a pretty pink color. There's 1, 2, 3. There's 6 pages in there with a journaling card here and a top-loading tag here. This one is in a blue. This one and this one are raised. The roses are bling, and it's got some gold net. And it too has a little bit of decoration inside. And it has 1, 2, 3. So there's 6 pages. And it's got a journaling card here. And it's got a tag right there. So these are also listed separately, depending on which one you would like. And you guys, I went ahead and I listed this. We just made this recently. Now, recently we went ahead and we did a flip through of it. So I guess I should flip through it just in case somebody hasn't seen that video. It's got a beautiful little charm on a bulb pin. The sari silk closure is permanent. It's got some gold beads on the end. It's attached, the sari silk closure is attached with a piece of fabric. This is vintage fabric from 1924 linens and more. It's got some bling right here for the signature, and these are pieces of vintage laces here. This is orange. Someone mentioned that it looked like it was mustard colored. No, it is orange. It's not yellow, it's orange. Orange and green. And then it opens up. It's like a trifold. And I've got a card here, journaling card here. This is also a belly band in case you want to stick something in here, like this is some tea. We could actually stick some tea in there. This actually came from 1924 linens and more, and I could just leave it in there or take it out. And then we have lots of pages in here. Now this one, it is bent a little bit because this is where it folds right here for the spine, but it's holding a little journaling card here. So you've got another pocket. It is machine stitched all the way around, and there's quite a few pages. And they fold out, and this is tissue tracing paper that has some gold paint. Sounds wonderful, and it just has a little side tuck right there with some ephemera, and a bottom tuck right here with some ephemera. And this one right here has a piece of ephemera on it, and it's got an altered paper clip to hold it in place. Move this over so I can fold the page. And then we've got this one. It folds out. So there's lots of journaling space in this one, with some pieces of ephemera that have been either tucked in, some pre-made pockets, and or they have been attached with altered paper clips, so you can remove them. Here is the little dangles that hang below the journal. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16 and 16 are 32. So there are 33. 16 and 16. 6 and 6 is 12. Nope, there's 32. I was right. There's 32 pages in this journal, with lots of journaling space and wonderful sounds and flips and ephemera. There's another one. I do love this journal. I think it's wonderful. Folds out like that. This is a piece of ephemera that has a little bag in it. And this one folds out. Folds out and out. So there's lots and lots of journaling space in here. And that hasn't even been glued down. I was going to say, what happened to the other piece? I've got to glue that down. Okay, so that will be over in the shop. I will tie this up after I show you my next one. And it looks like this. Oops, upside down. It looks like this, and I don't know if it's even going to fit. It's a tall junk journal, and it's got a bling, some bling. It's in the creams and the whites. It's got a doily, fabric doily, and it's got some paper that's been, it has writing on it. Can you see there? And then it's been sewn. So the doily is sewn on. It is sewn all the way around. There is a signature hand sewn, and it has the little bling. It's got the sari silk closure. It's got a little bit of the beads right here on that. Now the sari silk closure is permanent, and you just unwind it like this. And then it is permanently attached right here at the back. You can see right here, it is sewn on. There are no pockets on the front and back cover. I just thought this is gorgeous. It's a chapter 1 paper. It's got lots of little pieces of little laces throughout this journal. There's another piece right here. This is a built-in pocket. It's got a little bit of little cluster there. It's got some more lace up here. It's got a doily. It's got, really does have quite a bit of journaling space. There's a little tuck spot with some ephemera. And each page is also machine stitched in a cream. And there's a little tiny piece of ephemera there, a little tag. That's a beautiful center right there. And here are the beads for the signature, and a little bit of lace right up here. And another piece of ephemera with some lace on it. I love this book that I get my little birds out of. I think that's wonderful with some lace. And right here, a book page. It's got another little tuck spot and another piece of ephemera on this side, as well as this side. Some more lace, the other side of that doily. And there's this one, and that flips up, that little piece of net. And we have a pocket right here with some ephemera, and then some more ephemera on this side, a little bit of lace on that one. So I've got that over there as well. I just love how this, it's kind of like a sari silk flower cluster. It kind of looks like a flower to me. And so all of these are over there on my Etsy shop. And like I said, I don't have a lot of inside pictures, and that's why I wanted to do this video to show you what it looks like inside of these. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. My Etsy shop is listed down below. Just click on the link. It'll take you right there. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you have, please give me a thumbs up. I invite you to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. I'll see you there, guys. Bye now.